Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with EQ Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in eqbank.ca and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of EQ Bank. Now in order to sign in to your account, just click on the sign in button at the top right corner just alongside the join now button. You will now end up in the login portal where you can enter your login credentials. So just go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password. Then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account with EQ Bank. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the forgot password button underneath the sign in box and you will be able to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with EQ Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.